Hello YouTube. Today we're gonna have a look what's behind this door, the door to my hobby room. So this is what you see when you first get in. I have two little desks. It's a small room, but I manage. This is my gaming computer desk, which I mostly use for modern gaming. Got a few nice posters up here. This is what I call the Mac stack, one of two. The other one is over there. And that's the first Intel iMac. At first I thought it was an iMac G5, but then I saw there was an iSight camera, which I've obviously covered. So yeah, it's an Intel iMac actually. That's the subject of one of my videos. This is Boris. There's all kinds of stuff here. That's a bunch of camera stuff, a power station, the cat's food, a window featuring some lovely bird shit. This is my other desk, where I have my laptop, where I spend the most of my time actually, because I don't always feel like turning on my desktop for just watching YouTube or browsing the internet. Most of that I do on here, on this laptop, this Lenovo ThinkPad T480S, which I got a couple of months ago to replace my MacBook Air. Yeah, it's I'm happy with this machine. Over here is my lovely little Trinitron. It's a PVM. I got through some connections for free, so that's a lovely find, lovely device. I will make a video about it eventually. I currently have a VCR DVD combo unit hooked up to it and a Super Nintendo with a Super EverDrive flash cartridge. Over there is my iPod and its docking station. Up there is all kinds of boxes and stuff, like the Sony Cybershot from one of my previous videos, which did really well actually. Another camcorder. That one is actually an HDR HC9E, which is records on mini DV tapes, but in Full HD, so 1080i. Very nice. So, as I said, we got the Mac stack here, the second one. Then this is one of my favorite things ever. It's the Battery Daddy. Lovely little Christmas presents I got from my girlfriend. Over here is just some cables and a little transistor radio I got at a flea market a while back. Some MP3 players, iPods, iPod Touch first generation actually. My dad actually bought this when it first came out, and I remember seeing it and being absolutely blown away by it. If you put it next to a modern smartphone or anything modern actually, it's a big difference, but when that thing first came out it really blew me away. Then over here we have a few books and my Macintosh Plus, which is currently not hooked up. The subject of our last video, the Sharp 4000. And the cat is taking a nap over here in the sofa. And most of these shelves are my media shelves. So over here we got a bunch of VHS tapes. And over there as well. And the top shelf is DVDs. With a few little cute trinkets like the Zapper, a Dalek, Wally, and of course a Gremlin. Well, not a Gremlin, this is the Gremlin of course. Then over there's a bunch of cassettes, a Rubik's Cube, my other cassettes, And over here is a lot of CDs, which I've started to become interested in for the last couple of years. I've got all of these ripped to my Walkman NW-A55, I believe. So that's a hi-fi digital music player, or whatever you want to call it. Over here I got some audio devices. This is a basket full of Walkman, some working, some not. This is my mini disc basket. These are all CD Walkmans or Discmans or whatever you want to call them, and then the NW-A55. This is a tape recorder and some batteries, a bunch of old phones, my calculators, some DVDs and rewritables, and this is all just tinkering stuff like soldering iron, glue, Raspberry Pi, some cables. Behind here, I don't know if you can see, but there's a bunch of old flashlights. There is one of the cable baskets, one of many. And behind there's actually a very old 1980s Sony camcorder, which records on Video 8. So I'm definitely gonna feature that in a video soon as well, because that thing is really awesome. Over there on the top shelf is my current watch, MASH. I'm currently binging that. I love that show. Right now I'm on season 6, I believe. Yes, season 6. Alright, so I'm gonna pan around quickly so you can all take it in one more time, and then I'm gonna end this video over here. So I hope you all enjoyed taking a look behind the scenes with my sleepy Brunel, my cat over there. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!